Hey, so now let's learn with fun. Itemerin varane. Ajwaitun class 10 mathematics we. Kakutuma chapter. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Damgurum lushit say. Ajwaitum na. Ajwanang tamkai concept pingji. Kathada apply sarakla. Kala problems kada solve sarakla gji yangurum say. Itum na ajwanang pair of linear equations in two variables tika kilikangla gji tamaire. Kala kada solve sabaikla gji tamaire. We have graphical method of solving and algebraic methods. Algebraic methods being lead to the substitution method, elimination method, kala cross multiplication method hitam urumaire. In a shitsang exam tumnala method being shijin laga natumi exercises being practice sad later. Ajivai tum concepts being shijin laga linear equations makaning equations kangatay di laga tada apply sabaira kala word problems being here concepts being shijin laga tada solve sabaira klagji yang room say. Let's get started. Equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Hui mga tumna equation kani kwe kani hi linear equations in two variables meaning to two mine. Kiwankla jika they are not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ka ani kani hi pair of linear equations in two variables hui moong in a reduce sabai. Kada sarakla jika this first equation can be written as 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y equals to 13. Takamay nakakana equation by ila 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y is equal to minus 2. Takapi by a. Ara 1 by x hili u in a replace house kala 1 by y hi v in a replace house. So the first equation will become 2u plus 3v is equal to 13, and the second equation will become 5u minus 4v is equal to minus 2. Our equation kani linear equations in two variables we determine a reduce sagaine. Now itumna hi kani u and v we value solve sabaire. Our itumna elimination method chijin laga solve sakwai sayang say v we coefficients pingji ngai chakwai. First equation by li 4 na multiply say kala second equation by li 3 na multiply say. Okay? Taka first equation by 8u plus 12v equals to 4 times 3 12, 4 times 1 4, 5 52. The second equation by 15u minus 12v is equal to 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. The ara by first equation ne by the second equation ne ara v we term he eliminates by wang in a first equation plus second equation sase. Then we get 8 plus 15u. 8 plus 15 is 23u. 12v minus 12v was 0 on is equal to 52 minus 6 is 46. This implies that u equals to 46 by 23, which is 2. Our u is equal to 2 first equation by replace house. Taka 2 into 2 plus 3 into v is equal to 13. The 1 this implies that 4 plus 3v is equal to 13, or 3v is equal to 13 minus 4, which is 9, and v is equal to 9 by 3, which is 3. Now u equals to 2 negative 1 by x is equal to 2 negative. This implies that x will be obviously 1 by 2. Similarly, v equals to 3 negative 1 by y is equal to 3 negative. This implies that y is equal to 1 by 3. So it will be solution g x equals to 1 by 2 and y equals to 1 by 3. Hidada itumna linear equations makaning jila. Linear equations with terms in a reduce sakwilaka solve sabai. Okay, let's look at another problem. Arila hili linear equations in two variables with term in ka 1 by x plus y hi u ne the kuyose kala 1 by x minus y hi v ne the kuyose. So we get 3u plus 2v is equal to 2, and this one is 9u minus 4v is equal to 1. Our elimination method chijin we say jena v we coefficients pingjing raja by wang here we first equation by li 2 and multiply house, so we get 6u plus 4v is equal to 4. Now in equation 1 ne say in equation 2 ne Ara v hi eliminate sak vai wangena equation 1 plus equation 2 sayang se. Then we get 6 plus 9 is 15u minus 4v plus 4v was 0 saura 1 plus 4 is 5. This implies that u will be equal to 5 by 15, which is 1 by 3. Second equation by u we value 1 by 3 jisang say. Then we get 9 into 1 by 3 minus 4v is equal to 1. This implies that 93 divide saga 3 minus 4v is equal to 1, or 4v is equal to 3 minus 1. Rearrange saga na yang. This implies that v will be equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. Ara u equals to 1 by 3 ki ju khladwa u hi thum na thai je 1 by x plus y na yang. So 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 3 ki je nang rai chai. Chena khang ba x plus y here 3 nang rai cha ra ki jilla. Right? Hilila v equals to 1 by 2 ki ju khladwa 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 2 ki je nang rai chai. This implies that x minus y is equal to 2. Ara x plus y equals to 3 na x minus y is equal to 2 hi x and y solve sao say elimination method chijin laga. So if you add these two equations, x plus x is 2x, y minus y is 0, 3 plus 2 is 5. This implies that x is equal to 5 by 2. Now x we value 5 by 2 first equation bajali sang say. Then we get 5 by 2 plus y is equal to 3, or y equals to 3 minus 5 by 2, which is 1 by 2. So x equals to 5 by 2 and y equals to 1 by 2 is the solution. Okay? Equation kuyang we say ibaye na ibaye itum na thai gija hila linear equations in two variables we form in amalemne jena he get the linear equations in two variables to form in a reduce subhierarchical 1 by xg u need equals y over y high over more. Yeah? So 4u plus 3y is equal to 14 the be by second equation by 3u minus 4y is equal to 23 the be by ara equation kanini hi linear equations we determine layer itumna any method chijin daga u and y we value pasho by ara u we value kya show color ju thi sure 1 by x will be equal to that value color ju na x kya color da pasho by y wa itumna di pasho kai y we value ji lai bobamra. Okay, in this manner we can solve this equation. Similarly equation khani hi linear equations meaning mane katha the linear equations in reduce saragla jiga u ji 1 by root over x ne jawlo kala v ji 1 by root over y ne jaw daka first equation baji 2u plus 3v is equal to 2 the be by second equation baji na 4u minus 9v is equal to 1 the be by ara ani linear equations we form in a itumna reduce sagai ne u na v we value phashogolo u kya gla v kya gla u and v we value pashokai uthili u we value g 1 by root over x li equate saura kala v we value g 1 by root over y li equate saura daga x we value g pashogora. Okay, janjam sa the u we value g 2 shogo we jose kala v we value g 3 shogo we jose daga 1 by root over x will be equal to 2. This implies that root over x will be equal to 1 by 2, or x will be equal to 1 by 2 square, which is 1 by 4. Okay, kala 1 by root over y equals to 3 jika root over y will become 1 by 3, or y will be equal to 1 by 3 whole square, which is 1 by 9. Okay, that's solve sagi jine. Now arila hiwi equation by na hiwi equation by la linear equations meaning mane ara hiba higite no complex sum ida thai le yang 7x minus 2y by xy kji tumna kada da bi by kala jiga 7x by xy minus 2y by xy da bi by equals to 5. Ara hili x and x cancel saura, y and y cancel saura, so you get 7 by y minus 2 by x equals to 5 the sampangra taka maina hilila 8x by xy plus 7y by xy the kapi hai by a equals to 15 and hilila x and x cancels also y and y cancels also you get 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15 now arayo paila kaina 1 by y g u sang sakao 1 by x g v sang sakao laga paila kaina u and v value phashok paira kala g phashok khwega x na y value la paila kaina phashok pai boba maura ya arui la khangdya khayam lise hipa he na hipa he both sides li x by y na divide how say so 6x plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6xy upon xy je ka 6 mang dayora hilila both sides li xy na divide how say so 2x plus 4y upon xy is equal to 5 ari thun samang dak lai hi itung mi previous problem ba je na ngarai cha da le yang form jang chitau gi the previous problem solve ka sawi mo ngai nei tum na solve sa ba bam rei jilla okay ara khana wa sa da itum na forma ka khuyang le se hi forma na le sa ka wai tum ka solve sa la hila simple sala gai first equation by li 1 by 3x plus y the jang dak le hi second equation by la 1 by 3x plus y the jang ba bam da le ta ka mai na 1 by 3x minus y the first equation is jang dak le hi second equation by la 1 by 3x minus y the jang ba bam da le ta ka u hi 1 by 3x plus y ne the khyo lo kala v hi 1 by 3x minus y ne the khyo lo okay ta ka first equation by ga tak b by aura u plus v is equal to 3 by 4 dak b by aura kala second equation by hi 1 by 2 u minus 1 by 2 v is equal to minus 1 by 8 tak b by aura our second equation by further reduce ka sarak la both sides li 2 na multiply sauce taga both sides li 2 na multiply saka we get u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4 the reduce side by ara u plus v is equal to 3 by 4 and u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4 the layer ani hi v eliminate sak by plus house so u plus u is 2u plus v minus v is 0 and 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4 which is 1 by 2 this implies that u will be 1 by 2 into 2 which is equal to 1 so u is equal to 1 ne ara u value ji hili replace how say so 1 plus v is equal to 3 by 4 that's among our this implies that v equals to 3 by 4 minus 1 or v is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 jikava minus 1 by 4 sampangra all right so u is equal to 1 gaju kladwa u hi 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 v hi 1 by 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 4 ara 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 gaju kladwa 3x plus y is equal to 1 gaji nang rai jai kala hila 3x minus y is equal to minus 4 gaji nang rai jai rearrange sa kaya ida sampangra ara 3x plus y equals to 1 and 3x minus y equals to minus 4 hi solve how say the equation kani room kha y j eliminate sa bayora so 3x plus 3x is 6x plus y minus y is 0 1 plus minus 4 is minus 3 this implies that x will be equals to minus 3 by 6 which is minus 1 by 2 our x we value the first equation by the sang say so we get 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus y is equal to 1 this implies that 3 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 3 by 2 ne plus y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 this implies that y is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2 so it will answer g x equals to minus 1 by 2 and y equals to 5 by 2 in our answer okay I hope natum baptaire. Now let's move on to word problems. First problem li 10 students of class 10 took part in a maths quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Our number of girls chi x nei jau se, kala number of boys chi y nei jau se. Taga mushoi lakla mithra na participate saugi da x plus y ji va 10 sa sarade. Kala condition migai panava number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Kijukla da number of girls tili number of boys chi minus sani gija 4 shokre gijla. Now this is a pair of linear equations in two variables and itum pailakina x and y we value solve sabai area. He itum solve masali se natumna hotna all try saulo. Now second question li half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimensions of the garden. Hang the klebanava rectangular garden akhawi perimeter with Tangkhul 36 meters ni dang the klaya. Perimeter jiga kido perimeter jiga awi rectangular garden ji boundary with length jili perimeter hoya. We know that perimeter of a rectangle is twice into length plus breadth. Yeah. Ara hiwi perimeter we half jiga do na divide sali khang da yang jigya khrakla jiga 36 meters regine. So doing the two cancel cycle L plus P is equal to 36. Ara condition kakhne bali khimye likhla jiga length is 4 meters more than its width. So lengthly width paje minus sa shokoni ja 4 direct gijla. So we have a pair of linear equations in two variables. Variable being g L in a B ne L in a B we value ji paila ke nei thum solve sabai ore. Okay. Now moving on to the next problem. The difference between two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times the other. Number a ji x nei jolo, number khangdei ba ji na y nei jolo. Taga ani difference ji 26 nei jiga x minus y hi 26. So we get one equation. Kala one number is 3 times the other jukla da x hi 3 times of y re gijilla. So you get another equation. Oh, you buy live a key method jiga substitution method lo ki wangla jiga x equals to 3y the samangai ra x we move 3y li sangau lo x and y we value by la kaina samang by ore. Okay. Alright, let's move on to the next question. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105. For a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 115. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? Ilihang da klebava nana cityak li taxi wayaka. Taxi wayak leo ina fixed charge akwa leora. Nana kilometer kya ga zaniklam tim nei ka fixed charge shiva kuishonra. Kala kilometer kya ga zat kala ga jiwa tishura per kilometer wila charge ngware gijne. Itum nara fixed charge pa ji x nei da kuyo se kala charge per kilometer ji y nei da kuyo se. Ya. Taka 10 kilometers sa da khawa charge kya ka kuirak la jiga fixed charge shiva kuibamra 10 kilometers zadla ma zadla. Kala kilometer avuli y charge sagi jine taka 10 kilometers at khawa 10 y charge saura ani jing rumakha kya ka shokrak la jiga 105 shokri. So 105 in equation a khaira kakhni banava 15 kilometers travel sa ka 115 shokra jine. So fixed charge va kuibo bamra kala 15 kilometers ji travel sa ka 15 y shokra ani jing rumakha 155 shokra in equation kakhni bane ara ya paila kai nei thum x and y value phasho paire ya ara 25 kilometer travel sa ka kya ka paisa pe sarakla gijina ara fixed charge x phasho kaira kala kilometer avuli kya ka charge sarakla ji y phasho kaira taga 25 kilometers li kya ka pe sarakla ji ka fixed charge pa ji plus 25 kilometers na y we value li multiply saulo kala ung shock value ji china taxi we fare sare. Okay. Are interesting sala kai question ka yang we say 5 years hence ka ju la singum phanga wi thili age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago 지금 진공 방아마망리. Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? 다가 아루이 아니 위진금지 기록라다 강하네요. Let's say 아바바바 위진금이 아루이 x 네데 코세. 그라 아나오바 위진금이 아루이 y 네데 코세야. Correct condition 지ang say 5 years hence 진금 방아위 틸리. 지가 아바위 진금지바 진금 방아위 틸리 x plus 5는 사우라. 아나오바 위진금나 y plus 5는 사우라. 아라 진금 방아위 틸리바 아바바 위진금지 아나오바 위진금리 그 둠시나 중매오래 당들이 3 times 중매오래야 3 times that of his son. So 이다다 그 비바에 이 둠나 simplify 사가 x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15 or x minus 3y is equal to 10 다그 비바에. So this is the first equation. 아라 진금 방아 마망리 지가 x minus 5야 5 years ago. Now we know y minus 5. Then 아바위 진금 방아 마망리 아나오바위 진금리 신이시다 마다이레이진다. So 7 times of y minus 5. 아라 히 좀 simplify 사가 x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35 or x minus 7y is equal to minus 30 in a second equation. Our first equation and second equation ji pair of linear equation shock tale kala x and y value to na paila na phashok payora x we value jina avaba wizingum ne kala y we value jina anaba wizingum saura. Next question. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? Alright, tumnaili taking jibaba digita hui number hi kana tak bi by 1. Yo 1 into 1 tak bi by yang digita ma da chamsa da 23 jolo 23 hi units place li 3 lay delay kala tens place li 2 lay delay. So higra tak bi by kala jiga tens place li khleba ji 10 na multiply salo. So 10 into 2 plus units place li khleba ji 1 na multiply salo. So 1 into 3 3 mang lak bi by takamaina 3-digit number lay saka janjamsa da 515 da lay saka hundreds place li lay da khleba ji li 100 na multiply salo plus tens place li lay da khleba ji li 10 na multiply salo kala units place li lay da khleba ji li 1 na multiply salo. So ida da bi by number bunji ya ara itumni 2-digit number ka me dele awi tens place to x ni jos kala units place to y ni jos thaka number ji ka da bi by kala jiga 10x plus y tak bi by yang. So the number is 10x plus y. Now number ji reverse side ka ju kala bawa 1's digit pa jina 10's digit wanao kala 10's digit pa jina 1's digit wanao janjamsa da 53 de lay saka reverse ka sa ju kala 35 to wanao gi jila yang the chira the number ba ji reverse side ka wa aniwi sum ji 66 chokre da hang da len yang. So reverse number ba ji ba ka da bi by kala jiga 10y plus x tak bi by ara ani ji ngru ka sum sa ka 66 chokre gi yang. So he to simplify saka 11x plus 11y is equal to 66 to samang or 11 na both sides li divide sa laga x plus y equals to 6 to samang aura equation akhne ya. Our second condition we should digit khani we difference ji 2 rag jine aga x pali y ji minus sounding ji 2 samang rag jila. So in a second equation show gaira ara x and y value is solve sign say. So ani equation khani ji plus sounding ji wa 2x is equal to 8 samang or x equals to 4 or x equals to 4 augi da hili tumna x we value 4 sangau say. That means we will get y is equal to 2. So the number is 42. Number is 42 na gizla yeah. So distinct value of x and distinct value of y samang dale x and y we value khang dai samang na gizla. So how many such numbers are there jatam tharan? There is only one number which is 42. Now another interesting question. Janjamsa da nahi mari khong hui da lene jos kong ji shong long da lene jose nana I shong hui shang da klene. That means you are going upstream. Ili upstream hui shang origin. Yang ara kong na longda da klei jili nana la hui da da le ka you're going downstream. Downstream ka da hora. Jena no we mari kongji 30 kilometers upstream shang ka kala 44 kilometers downstream da ka 10 hours kuiji. Kala 40 kilometers upstream shang ka kala 55 kilometers downstream da ka 13 hours kuiji. Daga nalik nghan da klei ba wa stream kong juwi long da klei speed chi kya kala kala no we mari kongji still water lake je kong jim long lak sangni je no mari kongwi speed chi kaya kharak la dang han da klei ya no mari kongwi speed chi still water li x kilometers per hour ne jos kala kong long da klei wi speed chi na y kilometers per hour ne jos thagara nana upstream shang ka kong long da klei wi opposite direction li nana mari kongji hui shang ka mulong sani je x ki jilla ka kong na long dao nana hui shangao jogi da noi mari kongwi actual speed pa jiwa x minus y re gijla ya kala kong long da khlei wi direction jili nana mari kong hui da da le khawa noi mari kong speed ji x plus y re gijla kong wi khlong wi speed jina lang jonao gida ya ara first condition where you should 30 kilometers upstream shanga ka nana 30 kilometers upstream shang jili atam gya zangra distance to 30 kilometers ne kala no we speed upstream liver x minus y ne gijla hya khatam jang re gijne upstream 30 kilometers ka shangle ara downstream 44 kilometers ka dali wa tam kya jang rakla jika 44 kilometers chili downstream we speed jiwa x plus y in a divide sa ka downstream 44 kilometers ka daw ya tam ji hya kha jang re ara atam khani jing room kha 10 hours khuidale dang dale so this will be 10 hours. Our second condition where you should 40 kilometers upstream shang ka jiga atam kya zangra 40 pi x minus y ya ga zangra our downstream 55 kilometers ta ka 55 pi x plus y ya ga atam zangra atam jang da klek ni jing room ka 13 hours shogre gijla so we get two equations are equations khani sam mangai re equations khani linear equations maning ne chu wangai na itum linear equations in reduce sakhora kata reduce sakhora 1 by x minus y jili u ne do kholo kala 1 by x plus y jili v ne do kholo kala u and v value kho chokolo jili x and y value kho chokolo itum na hi athang linear equation makhning bing jili linear equation ne kata reduce sa by kala kata solve sa by kala jili tamuru mai re chiwi same method chi follow sa laga x and y value samangai bai x value jina tirma khlong apamli no we both we speed jing saura kala y value jina kong ju speak na saura okay arila 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone hangda kleba wa shnaw khani na mer na phanga embroidery work a khsa yi mati thangjang exine ya kala shnaw ko thumai na mer na thuruk na same embroidery otchi kathum thangjang exine gai thumni khipa logic la chika shnaw mang no sani je kyak thangjang ra kala mer na mang no otsani je kyak thangjang ra kala ji pha logic ne ara shnaw khana otchi sa go phi x days sang nei da khose yang kala mer na akhana embroidery work chi sa go chi y days sang nei da khose taka shnaw khana thanga otsani je embroidery work kya kha kupshapra ka embroidery work akhaji x days sang augi da thangaliwa 1 by x work kupshapra taka maina mir na khana la thangamang otsani je 1 by y days ot kupshapra gijla ara first condition wa chi shura shnaw khani gila mir na phanga otsa da klenia jena shnaw khani na wa thanga otsagi je 2 into 1 by x sara kala mir na phanga na wa thanga otsagi je 5 into 1 by y sara hi thaga thangkha ot ka sawine hi ot kya kupshapra khloj ka ashishini na 4 days sang ejinda thaga thangali athum na 1 by 4 ot kupshap ta leru de ya then this is one equation this can be written as 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4 yeah similarly our second condition we are tishuda thangali Shinao ga tumna otsa ga 3 into 1 by x kala mierao thrukna otsa ga 6 into 1 by y. Ara ashi chikona tangkhali ot saji kya kharagla jiga tangkhali ba 1 by 3 sad leirigila. So this can be written as 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 3. This is your second equation. Our equation khni hi thumna athang with other linear equations in two variables and reduce salaga x and y value phasho paira kala x and y value phasho paira x tina shinao akhana kya khang otsa ka ochikup chapra gajine kala y jina mianao akhana kya khang otsa ka ochikup chapra gajine. Okay, data solve sabai. All right, now khana problem sada. Sam travels 300 kilometers to his home partly by train and partly by bus. He takes 4 hours if he travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. If he travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, he takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Hangdak leba wa aru hi Sam hi ashishimwe na 300 kilometers ta da bam dak lene. Ahi shimhanungaw gi jine awi journey ji kai kha train in zadra kai kha bus in zat gi jine ya. Ara train with speed chi x ni jose kala bus pawina y ni jos. Ara khre condition wa ti shuda Sam na 60 km hi train in travel sakain. So awi train with speed chi x na distance li divide sai ga itum na atam samangra. So on the train in tonga atam ji 60 by x ne. Takamaina katai distance chiwa 240 ra. You got 300 minus 60 is 240. 240 jana percent travel sakai. So bus with speed to y ne. So distance li speed na divide sounding je. Percent atam kran ka tong klag je samangria. Ara atam khani jing room ka pungmati jangi je. So 4 hours. Okay. Ara ka khane condition li ana janjam sa da 100 kilometers pa hi train na tongoni je atam ji 100 by x zangra. Kala ka distance jiwa 200 kilometers chi passing dongoni jiwa pasni dong dak la atam ji 200 by y zangra. Ara atam khani hing room ka kya ka shokra kla jiga 10 minutes longer. 10 minutes longer jugla da 4 hours li 10 minutes longer, which is 4 hours and 10 minutes. So 4 hours and 10 minutes, 10 minutes si hours in one say. So 10 minutes divided by 60 the hours in one I by. Our second equation by be by jiga 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 6 times 4, 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So 25 by 6. That could be by area. Now, equation hipa na equation hipa ye. Itumna linear equations we form in a reduce I by a by taking u equals to 1 by x and v equals to 1 by y. Kala u and v we value kochogo lo juitili x and y we value samangora. X we value jina speed of the train ne kala y we value jina speed of the bus ne. Natum na try salo hot na yang lo. I'm sure natum solve sasha blagre. Okay guys, this is the end of our chapter. Next video we na itum committee chapter quadratic equations tamurumre. Aru itum na problem discuss sakai bing tong hi natum na practice solution lo solve sakwai hot na lak lo natum pai lagain sasha bragji ish jahan jawe shi sang jawe. Well, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, keep learning with fun.